Okay, and have a look at this.
Sussex, England.
The National Weather Service in Woodridge has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Ipswich, South East Queensland; Logan, South East Queensland; Redland City, South East Queensland; Brisbane City, South East Queensland; Somerset, South East Queensland; Scenic Rim, South East Queensland; Lockyer Valley, South East Queensland; Gold Coast, South East Queensland; Moreton Bay, South East Queensland, until further notice. The Bureau of Meteorology warns that at 6:55 p.m. severe thunderstorms were detected on the weather radar between Boonah, Laidley, and Narain. These thunderstorms are moving towards the northeast. They are forecast to affect Beenleigh, Logan City, and the areas between Boonah and Beaudesert by 7:25 p.m. and Brisbane CBD, Ipswich, Beaudesert, and Cleveland by 7:55 p.m. Heavy rainfall that may lead to flash flooding is highly likely. Queensland Fire and Emergency Services advises that people should never drive, walk, or ride through floodwaters. If it's flooded, forget it. Seek shelter, preferably indoors, and never under trees, and stay away from windows. Avoid using the telephone during a thunderstorm. Beware of fallen trees and power lines. For emergency assistance, please contact the SES on 132 500. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning is in effect until further notice for Ipswich, Redland City, Brisbane City, Logan, Somerset, Toowoomba, Lockyer Valley, Gold Coast, and Moreton Bay.